Hello friends, I am Prajan Rai and you are watching now Mission Top Tech. In this video, I am going to show you how to send email with attachment using Gmail account. If you want to send your attachment with your Gmail account and if you don't know about how to attach and send email using your Gmail account, in this video, I am going to show you how to send email with attachment using Gmail account. So without any let, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to open my Chrome browser. As you can see, this is my Chrome browser here. And now I'm going to input URL gmail.com and press enter. As you can see, here is already signed in my Gmail account here. So you can see this is my Google account profile, and if you want to sign in or create another account, you can click here on add another account. Let me scroll up here, and as you can see, you can click in use another account options, and here you can input your email or phone number and click on next, and after that you can use your password to sign in your user account. But if you don't have your any Gmail account, you can create your new Gmail account from these options. But today I have already signed in my Gmail account here, so this is the user interface of Gmail account. So we need to create new email with attachment. For create new email, we need to click here in compose button. As you can see, this is the dialog box of new compose email user interface. So for send email to another email ID, we need to input here recipient email address. So now I'm going to input recipient email ID here. And you can send your email to multiple email address in one time, but today I'm going to send in one email address only. So now I'm going to input subject here. If you're thinking about what is subject, you should know about subject while creating your new email. The subject is title of your whole email. So now I'm going to input subject here. After input the subject of my email, now I'm going to leave some message to recipient persons. And I have left some message to recipients, and after that I'm going to upload my attachment from my computer. So now I'm going to upload my attachment. To upload attachment with this email, you can click here attachment file icon. Now I'm going to source my data. Now I'm going to attach another file. Now I'm going to choose my photo here. One attachment has been successfully uploaded and one is progressing, and it has also complete uploading. So as you can see, I have successfully uploaded attachment with my new email. So now I can send my email to recipient Gmail address or email ID. You can send to another email address like Gmail, Yahoo, Hotmail, etc. Or you can send your email to mail at your custom domain also. So without any late, now I'm going to click on send button. Okay, you can see here sending. Message has been shown here in message sent. You can check your message to click here view message button. Okay, this is sent message to prajanrai1@gmail.com. Receive an email from sangamrai55@gmail.com sender email address. And when you need your sent email, you can check to send box. And this is our all statement of sent email list. Or you can check your recent sent email information. And okay, I hope you understand this video. If you have any confusion in this video, please leave the comment in comment section below. If you like this video, please like and share with your friends. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And I will meet with another useful video. Bye bye. Namaste.